Jain students, today you cannot see my face because I am preparing video by using a small board. Okay, so students, very important concept is board and my hand. Wherever I am putting the fingers, that is very important area to concentrate to observe. Students, as we studied cone, in cone we have seen that cone has slant height, which is called as L, perpendicular height, which is called as H, and the radius of base, which is called as R. I want to find slant height, so I have formula for slant height. L equals to under root H square plus R square, because L square equals to H square plus R square according to the Pythagoras. I want to find only L, so I will apply here under root. The volume of cone is 1/3 of volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. The curved surface area of cone is equals to pi r l, and the total surface area of cone equals to pi r in bracket r plus l. These all four formula we have studied. Now we have been solving practice set 9.2. In this we have seen first 5 examples. Let's continue this with the next example number 6. What is given in this? Let's see students. Example has some correction. Surface area of cone is given, but you have to read it as curved surface area. So there is one correction in question number 7, that is it is curved surface area, not a surface area. Remember, curved surface area of cone is 188.4 square centimeter. So now students, as we got this, and even they have given a slant height which is called as L. The slant height of a cone is 8, it's a 10 centimeter. Yes, I'm reading it from the book. Find its perpendicular height. What they ask? They ask to find height. Now students, as we know that curved surface area, the formula which has pi r and L. I have curved surface area. I have the value of pi which is given by them 3.14. Pi's value is 3.14 which is given by them. And I have L. So by using this I will get R. Now I have R, I have L. So I will use this formula. By using this formula I will put L value. Even I will get R value from this, so I will put here R value, I will get the H value. Did you understand what is the concept, what is the procedure to solve this example? Now let's start it. So we have curved surface area. We have a formula of curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone is equals to pi r L. Students, curved surface area of cone is given 188.4 is equals to pi's value is 3.14 multiply by r, I don't know, multiply by L value is 10. Yes, it looks little bit complicated when you will see this kind of example. So it has some point values, and when the point value has came, so you may have some confusion that how can I solve this. It looks a little bit difficult one, but remember students, it has some trick. Remember, we have to use that one. So let's continue. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to send the remaining values to the opposite side, that is 188.4. this 3.14, 10 is multiplying, they will divide here 3.14 multiply by 10. Now students, as you can see that 3.14 has two numbers in the decimal position. So I want to take out these two numbers out of this, so I have to multiply it by 100. So already I am multiplying it by 10, so I will multiply again it by 10. I will also multiply here by 10, as only r is remaining here. I have multiplied here by 10, so I have also multiplied here by 10, remember, and this is already given. Now it will become 188.4, so 10 will multiply, so it will become 1884, and this will become 3014 is equals to r. Yes. So students, now let's continue this. I'm just moving upside my board. Here you can see that this is 4, this is 4. So I can divide it by 2. So let's divide it by 2. How many is 18? 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 2 2s are. Let's divide this 2. How many is 2 1s are? Then 11 will be there, 2 5s are, 2 7s are is equals to R. Now students, what we can do here? So now I have to write the table of 157. Yes, this is the only way. So I am going to write 157 multiply by 5. If I will do it by 5, what will happen? 5 7s are 12, carry 1, 5 5s are 25 plus 1, 26, carry 2, 5 5, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7, 62. Now let's divide it by 6. 6 7s are 42, carry 4, 6 5s are 30 plus 4, 34, carry 3, 6 1s are 6 plus 3, 942. See, it is divisible by 6. So 157, 6 are. So R value is 6 centimeter. Unit is very important, remember. So I got it. Now students, I want to find the next value. They ask height. So I have to find the height. So I'm moving it here. I have a formula this. So I'm going to use this formula. So we have, again we have the formula of L square. L square equals to H square plus R square. I'm using the square formula here. You can use it. So L square is, yeah, obviously 10 square because L value is 10 which is given here. H value I don't know, that I want to find. R value is 6 square. 10 square is 100 equals to H square plus 6 square is 36. Let's send this to the opposite side. 100 minus 36 equals to H square. As you know that this subtraction gives us 64 H square. H equals to 8 centimeter, and this is what the final answer. Therefore you can write here perpendicular height is equals to 8 centimeter. I hope you understood. Okay, now students, let's see the next example. Yes, wherever it is easy I will go fast, obviously. Question number 7. Volume of cone is given. Volume of cone is 1232. Student, remember it is given in the book 12. Some book has 12 here, but it is 32. Make it 32. There are many correction in old books. If you have old book, so there should be a correction, whichever, but correct it like this. And the slant height, okay, it's only height is given. So height we will consider, if height is given we will consider H, that is 24 centimeter. Remember, height, when they will use only height word, it should be perpendicular. Remember, height कभी भी perpendicular होती है, slant height नहीं होती. It should be perpendicular. So when I will use height word, it should be perpendicular. Find the surface area of cone. Pi's value is given. Pi equals to 22 by 7. Students, what they ask? Find surface area of cone. Now which surface area we have to find? There is confusion. Again there is confusion. So students, when this kind of question will be there, so you have to find curved surface area as well as total surface area, because there are many fault in this. So now shall we start? Yes. So students, remember, when they will only write surface area, so there is a chance of losing the marks. So better you will find both the areas. So we are going to find both the areas here. So total surface area instead of the volume of cone is given, we have formula volume of cone equals to 1/3 pi r square h. We have curved surface area, that is pi r l. Remember students, to find L I have to find R because I have H. L ka L square equals to H square plus R square. By using volume formula, I have volume, I have height, I have pi, I will find R. So I will put here R value. Yes, I have height, I will put here, I will get L value. So I will get it curved surface area. So this is the slope, this is the flow, not a slope. So I have formula volume of cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. Let's put here 1232 is equals to 1/3. Pi's value is 22 by 7. Multiply by r value, I don't know, r square, multiply by 24. Okay, so students, when this kind of examples will be asked, many times students will face that, sir, there are many fractions, so you may get confused, but remember, when the fraction is there, so denominator will be shifted to the numerator while sending to the opposite side, and numerator will become a denominator. So students, let's send these fractions, that is 1 by 3 and 22 by 7, to the opposite side and invert them, so they will look like this. Now 1 2 3 2 multiply by 1/3 will be 3 upon 1, so 1 no need to write, it will become 22 by 7. 24 is multiplying, it will divide. Now it looks good. Now you can see that 3, I can divide to the 24. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. Whatever is possible, I am going to divide it. Now I can divide 1232 by 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 4 will remain, 4 3 3. So it will become 8 5s are 40, and then 32. So 8 4s are 32. So it is 154 into 27 upon 22 upon 7. Now let me write here 142 remaining here. 3 already cut by dividing this. Multiply by 22 upon only 7 is remaining, equals to r square. Now students, let's divide it by 7. 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14, 7 2 are 14. So it is 22 multiplied by 22 equals to r square. So r equals to only 22 will be remain, because 2 है तो 22 का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. So r का स्क्वायर था तो r क्या आएगा, only 22. So r equals to 22 centimeter. I got r. Now let's find the curved surface area. Curved surface area is equals to pi r l. Students, remember, when pi r l is there, so I have to find l. So let's find l first. So how I can get the l's value? L square is equals to, remember, they only ask for surface area, so we are not going to calculate curved surface area. I am going to calculate directly total surface area. So let's find it, total surface area. Yeah, it will be better. Pi r in bracket r plus h, because it is already available. Pi is 22 by 7 multiplied by r value is 22, in bracket r value is 22 plus h value is 24. Now let's solve this, students. 22 multiplied by r value is 22, in bracket 22 plus 24 will be 4 plus 2 6, 46 upon 7. And now what will be the value? It is homework for you. Solve it. Yes, I hope that you will solve it. Okay students, yes, you can. Let's multiply it and divide by 7. You can do it. Try to solve it. The answer will be in point, but try. Okay, shall we move for next question? Yes. Now let's see question number 8 of practice set 9.2. That is, the curved surface area of cone is 2200 square centimeter. Curved surface area of cone is 2200 square centimeter. Its slant height, that is L, equals to 50 centimeter. And the total surface area of cone that we have to find. We have to find total surface area. Now student, total surface area of cone is calculated by using a formula pi r in bracket r plus h. I have only r, I have only pi r, I don't have h. H how can I get? Yes, so it is very difficult to get the h, but I have curved surface area which is given. Curved surface area can be calculated by using pi r l. So I will put here l value, I will put here curved surface area's value, I will put here pi value, I will get r. If I will get r, so it's very easy to get h. How? I have formula L square equals to r square plus h square. I will put L square, I will put r square, I will use this formula to get h. So student, did you understand? First of all, I will use this formula, then I will use this formula, then I will use this formula. So let's go for curved surface area's formula. So curved surface area of cone is equals to pi r l. Curved surface area of cone is 2200 equals to pi's value, which is given in bracket 22 by 7. So let's use this 22 by 7 multiplied by r, which is not given, l equals to 50. Let's send this to the opposite side. 2200 multiplied by 7 is downside, it will come to the upside. Both are upside, they will go to the downside. 22 multiplied by 50 equals to r. Now you can see that 22 get cancel, only 1, and this 20 will be 100. Now 100 multiplied by 7 upon 50 is given equals to R. Now 50 के टेबल में 100 आता है, 50 1 50, 52 जा, yes, so it will give me R equals to 2 multiplied by 7, so R equals to 14 centimeter. So I am going to write here R equals to 14 centimeter here. Okay students, so this is what the concept to get the R. So first formula we use, we get R value. Now I will put here that value, I will put here L value, I will get H value. So let's use second formula, the formula number 2 that I have mentioned here. I have formula, which formula? L square is equals to H square plus R square. We have L square is 50 square, H square that I don't know, R square is 14 square, 50 square is 25, double 0 equals to H square plus 14 square is 196. Now let's send it to the opposite side. 2 minus 196 equals to H square. It will give me another answer. The answer is 100 subtracted 24, 2304 is equals to H square. So what is the square root of this? Say 2500 minus 196, while subtracting 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 9 0, then it will become 4 minus 1, so it is 3 and 2. What is the square root of 2304? So I don't know. If I don't know, then how to do? You are already recited the squares, but I don't know if. So what I will do, I will just use this method. What is the perfect square nearest to this? Yes, 4 for the 16. Subtract this. Subtraction 23 minus 16 is 704. So 4 plus 4 8. Now by which number I have to multiply here to get 704? So let's try. 83 multiplied by 3, not possible. 82 multiplied by 2, possible. 82 multiplied by 2, 2 to the 4, 2 4 the 16, not possible. So 88 multiplied by 8, yes, 8 8 the 64, 8 8 the 64, then it is, so it is 7064, it is 704 if I will multiply by 8 8. Okay, so it is 46. By using a 7 standard method, the answer is 46 H value centimeter. Now you can find which value? Yes, total surface area. Total surface area is pi r in bracket r plus h. Pi's value is 22 by 7 multiplied by r value is 14. Here r value is 14 plus h value is 46. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 22 2 is 44 multiplied by 14 and then 46, it is 60. So can you tell me what will be the answer? 6 4 the, yes, 24 carry 2, 6 4 the 24 plus 2, 2 6 and the 0 centimeter square. It is the total surface area. I did it very fastly, but you have to do it like this. Okay students, so here I conclude my period. Only 2 examples are remain of this type. Okay, meet you tomorrow. Have a nice day and take care. Thank you.